Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Make.com to Vapi step by step. If you find this useful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, log into your Make.com account. In another tab, make sure you're also logged into your Vapi account. Once you're ready, click Create a new scenario at the top. Next, search for Vapi and select it. For the trigger, choose Get Call. After that, click Create Connection. Now you'll need your Vapi API key. Go to your Vapi account, open API keys from the sidebar, and copy your private API key. Make sure you don't use the public key. Once copied, return to Make.com, paste the key, and click Save. After the connection is created, wait a few seconds. Then enter the call ID and click Save again. And that's it. You've successfully connected Make.com to Vapi. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.